Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, let us discuss about global water disputes. Fresh water is a scarce natural resource. Uneven distribution and scarcity for fresh water is a reason for disputes and wars among countries. Rivers flow through several countries before joining the sea and is a reason for conflicts. Water disputes among countries can be settled peacefully with cooperation or by third party involvement, which is popularly called as permanent court of arbitration. India and Pakistan settled dispute on Indus River waters by Indus Water Treaty with the mediation of World Bank in 1960. Majority of water disputes are due to the construction of dams or diversion of water by one country. In 1997, the United Nations organization in a conference adopted non-navigationable uses of international water course in General Assembly. Egypt and Ethiopia have a dispute continuing from long on the use of Nile River water. In 1996, India and Bangladesh concluded a treaty on sharing the Ganga waters. There are some complex river water treaties in the world which contain several link problems. The best example is Hungary and Czechoslovakia concluded a treaty by both the countries in 1977 on the distribution of Danube river water and to construct two barrages on both sides. Hungarian government suspended the work in 1989 and later in 1992 Czechoslovakia became two independent countries, Czech Republic and Slovakia Republic. Later this dispute was referred to the International Court of Justice. This is the first water dispute that was referred to International Court of Justice. Other disputes. There are other kinds of disputes between countries because the rivers act as boundaries between countries. Some examples: the Senegal River separates Senegal from Mauritania. Orange River is a border between South Africa and Namibia. Mahakali River is a border between India and Nepal. Amur River is between China and Russia. Rio Grande and Colorado rivers are between USA and Mexico. Here the difficulty is in creating margin line, that is the exact boundary is a difficult one. Second one is using of river water is a perennial problem for these countries. Some disputes are not brought to the state of agreement or a treaty in the world. Some countries are continuously disputing on this issue. Example: Turkey, Iraq, Syria and the Tigris and Euphrates water distribution. It is continuing. Jordan River and its tributaries water dispute among Palestine, Syria, Lebanon and Israel was not ended with any treaty. Now let us look into a model test. Earth is the only planet that contains A. Sand, B. Water, C. Rocks, D. Mountains. Correct answer B. Water. Sand, rocks are in all other planets. Therefore, water is the correct answer. Reason for water was among countries: A. Scarcity, B. Uneven distribution, C. River borders. Correct answer D. All these. India Pakistan settled dispute on Indus waters by Indus Water Treaty with the mediation of dash in dash. A. World Bank in 1960, B. Russia 1962, UNO in 1965, D. IWW in 1971. Correct answer A. World Bank in 1960. Egypt and Ethiopia have dispute continuing from long on the use of A. Border issue, B. Migration, C. Nile River waters, D. Amazon River water. Correct answer C. Nile River water. Fifth question, Mahakali river is a border between A. Nepal and China, B. India and Nepal, C. India and Pakistan, D. India and Bangladesh. Correct answer B. India and Nepal. Thank you for watching. God bless you.